Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the August edition of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Can you believe we're in August already? Like, what is happening with this year? It's crazy. Anyway, if you already know everything there is to know about this box and you just want to skip ahead to the items inside, then as usual I will leave a timestamp down below in the comments so that you can just skip ahead. But if you don't know what this box is and you want to know a little bit more, I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave some more detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. Now that is a massive online beauty store. They sell everything from makeup to skincare to hair care to beauty tools and probably a few bits in between. They sell drugstore items all the way up to high-end items. So whatever you're looking for, there's a good chance that you can find it on Look Fantastic. They also do these beauty boxes, and these are £15 per month on a monthly rolling subscription, but you can also take out a longer subscription term and that can reduce the cost of your box. For example, I've got a 12-month subscription and my boxes cost me £13 a month. So you can see it just reduces the cost just a little bit. Inside the box there are 6 beauty items. This box can tend to be a bit skincare heavy, but you do also get makeup and hair care and also beauty tools as well. So you can get a good mix, but I've had this box for over a year now and I do find that you get more skincare based items in this box. So that is something to bear in mind if you're interested in taking out a subscription box. Inside the box there is usually a little booklet. The last 2 months we haven't had one of these. They've sent a link via email so that you can access the information that you would normally get in book form. But the first month that they did that, I never got the email with the link, and last month they sent me the link. They sent it the last week of July and it wasn't for the right book. So the contents that were inside my box, they sent me the link for the book for the other box. I don't know what happened, but anyway, this month we've gone back to the normal little booklets. Really pleased about that. It's more useful to me when I'm trying to do these videos, because inside this book it contains all the information about the items inside the box, sort of RRPs, what the items are, and sometimes some little hints and tips about how to use the products as well. So we'll be referring to this as we go through the box. On the back of the book there is usually a sneak peek to a product in next month's box, and this month is no exception. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, again I will leave a timestamp in the comments down below so that you can skip past this part. But if you are interested, then the sneak peek for September is this. So it is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it's a 15ml size and it's worth £30 apparently. So it's quite a high-end product. I'm quite excited to get that. I think I've probably got a pot of this somewhere that I haven't used yet, so this will just add to it. Hopefully I'll enjoy the product and I'll have extra. First page of the book there is usually a little note from the editor, and it just tells you what the theme of this box is, if there is one, and the kinds of things that you can expect. So this is the Radiance edit. Radiate positivity and feel lit from within this August with a little help from our Radiance edition beauty box, filled with 6 products specially curated to help you shine both inside and out. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Caudalie founder and showcasing some very exciting summer beauty launches. Plus, get to know more about one of 2020's most important skincare saviours. So that sounds very interesting. So without any further ado, let's get into the box. So on the inside of the lid, we've got a little quote or motivational saying, and this month it says, do more of what makes your soul radiate. And I think that sounds like very good advice. I've got to say, the colour of this box this month is amazing. It's so bright. It's definitely very summery. So that's what we look like. So I'm just going to break that seal and get in. Now I know there are 2 versions of the box again this month, same as there was last month. I don't think that's gone down massively well with people. And I know last month's box wasn't necessarily the box that I would have chosen. But we'll see what we've got in this box and see what I think about the one that I've got. So this is what we look like. So the first product I'm going to pull out is this one. So it's from Mio. And it's the Sun Drenched Body Wash. A gentle golden micellar cleanser. So that sounds quite interesting. Body washes and shower gels, they get used, so they're always quite useful. And I'm always keen to try new products on that score. So let's see what the booklet says. So this is 30ml and it's worth £3.15. With a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout, deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. Formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and the body. Lather onto your skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. So that does sound nice. It's a body wash. I don't know how amazing it's going to be, but I'm definitely keen to give it a try. And as I said, it's useful anyway. So that's that one. The next product we've got is from Caudalie. I do quite like Caudalie. I've used a few products, so I'm quite happy to see something from them in here. And this is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. Ooh, I think I've seen this and I've been tempted to try it, but I've never gotten around to it. So that's quite good. Let's see what the book says about that. So this is 10ml and it's worth £15.33. A worldwide cult favourite, and for good reason. This Caudalie facial serum is packed full of vinofurin, patented by Caudalie themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Okay. And is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging into the face and neck. So it certainly sounds interesting. I'm always a bit sceptical of created ingredients, which is what this sounds like they're marketing it on. So we'll see. Lightens dark spots in 4 weeks. Maybe I'll get 4 weeks worth of product out of here to try that claim, but we'll see. But I'm definitely curious. I'm definitely interested in trying, and I am a fan of the brand anyway, so that's nice for me to see in here. Next we've got, oh no, another one. So this is from Ico London, and it is the Lash Alert Mascara, and I've recently had an Ico mascara in my glossy box. If you want to see why I'm talking like this about it, I'll leave a link so that you can go and check that out. But yeah, I definitely don't need any more mascaras. I've probably got about 4 Ico mascaras sitting in my collection at the moment. So not thrilled to see this in here, but mascaras, they don't last very long once they're open, so it's nice to know that you've got a few to hand. So I'm not totally upset to see it in here, but it's not something I'm going to get excited about at this point. So, but part of that might be because I do get a few subscription boxes, and as I said, that's where I've had most of these mascaras from. So that's that. Let's just see what the book says about it anyway. So this is 4ml and worth £10. Get long and volumised lashes with the help of your Ico mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Starting at the root of your lash, brush upwards whilst slightly moving the brush from side to side. Don't forget the tops of your lashes for added drama. So nothing that I would not be expecting to see. Apparently you could have had either this mascara or the Black Magic mascara, also from Ico. So there is a variation on this product. Moving on, we've got something from Percy and Reed. Oh, come on, there you go. And this is, oh, this is the Wonder Balm. I've had a couple of these before and I've really quite enjoyed them. So I'm definitely happy to have this in here. I've just never got around to buying the full size. I've got lots and lots of hair products that I'm trying to work my way through. So I don't really need to buy anything at this point. But having another one in a subscription box, I'm not going to get upset about because I do enjoy it. So this is 30ml and it's worth £8. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your do. This Percy and Reed balm makes hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine and definition. Work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. So for me, it just made my hair just that little bit more manageable. It just sort of gave it a little bit of extra sort of zhuzh. So yeah, happy that that's in here. Next we've got this from Hava. So this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion in Sea Kissed. Oh, I'm going to want to smell this. I haven't opened any of the other products, by the way, simply because I've already got things on the go. I don't want to open anything sort of right away. But this doesn't have a seal on. That smells really nice. It's definitely fragranced. But that does remind me of the seaside, so I'm keen to try that. Let's just see how it feels on the hand. So that's what it looks like on the back of my hand there. Just gonna rub some of that in. Oh, that smells. That's my neighbours. Oh, that smells heavenly. That smells amazing. I love that. Definitely happy to have this in here then. So this is 40ml and worth £8. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Hava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalised, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Apply generously to slightly damp skin after a bath or shower. And there was another product that we could have received instead of this, and that is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, which is the same thing. Oh, except this one says Sea Kissed and the other one doesn't, so maybe the other one is fragrance free. Not sure. Let's just show you what I mean. Oh, come back. So this is the one I've got, and then this was the other version. So I don't really know what the difference is, other than this one is Sea Kissed and the other one doesn't say anything about that. So I'm guessing it's a fragrance thing. But yeah, smells amazing. Definitely keen to use that. And last but not least, we have something from Bella Pierre. There we go. And this is a mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. So just show you what that looks like in here. So that looks very dark. I don't think I've ever tried a powder blush. Kind of makes me nervous. Let's see how much of a mess I can make with this. Okay, it's got a little seal on, so you can see you can just, once you've taken the seal off, you'll just be able to pop some into the lid, I guess, and just take it with your brush then. So maybe that won't be so bad, but yeah, powder products like this make me nervous because I'm so accident prone. I'm going to drop this and get it everywhere at some point. I can definitely see it coming. I'm not going to open it right now because it is sealed and I've got so many blushes on the go at the moment. I've bought a few in the last few months. So yeah, probably not going to open this anytime soon, but I'm intrigued, but also slightly intimidated. Let's see what the book says. This is worth £15, and does it tell me how much is in here? Okay, so there's 6 grams of product in here. It says creamy, non-comedogenic and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of colour to your face whilst looking completely natural. Tap a small amount of product into the lid, swirl a blush brush into the product, tapping off any excess, and apply to your cheeks and tip of the nose for a rosy glow. As I said, it does sort of intimidate me a little bit, but I'm not against trying it. But that is all of the items in this month's box. So quick recap, we've got the Mio body wash, we've got the Caudalie serum, we've got the Persian Reed Wonder Balm, we've got the Harvard body lotion, we've got the Icon mascara, and we've got the Belle Pierre blusher. So overall, what do I think about this box? I actually quite like it. Other than the mascara, which I've got multiples of at this point. This is just something I'm just not excited about. The other products are something that I'm either happy to have again or I'm keen to try. So, I mean, the blusher, yeah, it's a bit scary for me, but it's definitely something that I've not had before, so it's giving me the opportunity to try it now without having to go and buy a full-size version, not knowing whether I'm going to enjoy it or not. So that's something I do actually really enjoy about having beauty boxes. The serum is something I've had my eye on but just never got around to buying. The body wash is going to be useful. But I think the thing that I am most excited about, which you've probably guessed already, is the body lotion. It just smells so good. So yeah, really happy with this month's box. So now it's over to you. What do you guys think of this month's box? Is this a box that you already subscribed to? If so, what did you get? Which version did you get? Which variations did you get? And were you happy or not? Just let me know in the comments down below. Or maybe you don't get this box, but something I've shown you today has sort of inspired you to sign up. Or maybe you've even tried some of these products before and you want to tell me, yes, they're good, no, they're not. As I've said before, I'm always curious to hear other people's thoughts and opinions, so please do let me know. And that's it then, guys. So I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to leave me a like before you go. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do a few unboxings on here. I do empties videos, beauty purchases, and a Project Pan series. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, definitely think about subscribing before you leave too. And with that being said, I hope everybody's doing okay, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.